Do you hear those noises? What are those?
Yes, I do. Go and do something.
Okay, I'm going to the kitchen. I think the noises came from there.
Okay, I will wait.
No!
Cory, what are you doing? What happened?
Sam, it's terrible. Someone has eaten my pizza.
So, what?
What do you mean? So what?
Dad, this is not important.
Sam, I've been waiting all day to eat it. Do you know how important it was to me? It was my pizza.
Cory, it's only a pizza, don't worry about it. You're not 3 years old. Tomorrow I will buy you another one.
Okay.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. I was trying to park my motorbike, but I couldn't find anywhere.
Okay, don't worry. We were watching TV.
Come on, Donna, we are hungry and the food is waiting for us.
So, how has the day been?
Nothing interesting, like every day.
No, that's not true. Today was not a normal day. While we were waiting for you, some strange things happened in our house.
What happened? Something worrying?
Yes, there's something or someone making strange noises that sounds like an animal.
Oh yeah, yes. That strange thing who has eaten my fantastic and brilliant muffin.
But this is not the important thing.
Why isn't it?
Okay, don't fight. Cory, tell me what happened.
It's not a thing that has only happened today. It has been happening since our parents died, but we don't want to tell anyone. It's a secret.
Well, Cory's right. Don't panic, but while we are doing some things like watching the TV or eating, something or someone make weird noises. It sounds like a cat or a dog or a rat. And then we go around the house trying to find something or someone, but we don't find anything.
Yes, and we are frightened.
Oh, I've forgotten an important thing. One day, I was walking on the balcony and I saw a strange shadow that was moving and I tried to catch it, him, her, but I couldn't.
Oh, this is a terrible story. Now I'm frightened too. Can I do anything for you?
No, Donna, just wait.
Oh, it's 11 o'clock.
And what do you mean?
That when it's 11 o'clock, strange noises appear, always.
Come on, Donna, come with us. We are going to investigate the house.
What the fuck is this? It smells so bad. Ugh.
Oh, I'm not sure about it.
That's our parents' trunk. Why I have never seen it?
Maybe because you are never in that room.
Okay, guys, but what is this?
I don't know.
It's so weird.
Let's investigate.
I haven't found anything here, guys.
Me neither, guys.
Damn! Guys, come on! Quickly!
What happens?
Look at this.
Oh, what a cute pussycat.
Since when we have a cat?
I don't know.
Oh, guys, I think I know what had happened here.
What?